The chords easy C and easy F are great for beginners, but now that you've been playing ukulele for a while, it's time we learn the real versions of those chords, C and F. Let's start with C. This one is going to use your ring finger on your left hand. So let's take your ring finger and place it just behind the 3rd fret on the 1st string of the ukulele. We're still just using one finger to press down a string, but it's our 3rd finger, our ring finger, on the 3rd fret of the ukulele. Let's strum the entire ukulele and see how a C chord sounds. The F chord is a little bit trickier. We're going to be using 2 fingers at the same time for the first time on the ukulele. We're going to start with our pointer finger, just like we did in easy F. It goes in the exact same place, 1st fret on the 2nd string. Next, bring your middle finger, your next finger, over to the 2nd fret of the 4th string of the ukulele. So we have fingers in 2 places now. 1st fret, 2nd string, and then 2nd fret, 4th string. Take your time to find these positions on the ukulele and make sure your hand looks just like mine. Something else to note, my thumb lives on the back of the ukulele. It's pushing back against the ukulele, so my fingers can stay nice and strong. Remember to keep your fingers very curled up to play these notes on the ukulele. That'll keep them nice and strong. And let's try playing an F chord. When you're working on a tricky chord like this, it can be helpful to play each string one at a time to make sure they're all making the right note. If you hear any notes that sound like this, just check what your finger is doing on that string, make sure it's right behind the fret it's supposed to be, and make sure it's curled up and pushing hard enough to make the note come out.